Morning students, in the earlier video I told you about direct and indirect speech. What is the difference? Now I will tell you about the rules how to convert a sentence of direct speech into indirect speech. So first one is change of tense, means how tense is changed while converting a sentence from direct to indirect speech. Now if the reporting verb in the direct speech statement is in present tense or future tense, then it remains same in indirect speech too, that is no change in tense. So reporting verb, the underlying words you can see in the examples, that is reporting verb. So if in the reporting verb is in present tense, that is in the first example, or in future tense in the second example, then the tense of the speech will remain same. Speech means the words present inside the inverted commas, like my friends say he is very handsome. So it will be same. My friends say that he is very handsome. My granny will say you need to eat well. My granny will say that you need to eat well. Means if the reporting verb is in present or in future tense, then the reported speech will be same. You will copy the same words. There will be no change in the tense. But if the reporting verb is in the past tense, in the direct speech, in the verb within the inverted commas will undergo corresponding changes in the indirect statement. Now, there are three tenses, present, past and future. So for present and for future there will be no change. But if the reporting verb will be in past tense, then there are some rules that we have to follow. Like present tense becomes simple present becomes simple past. Like the girl said that is past. Now the flower is pretty, that is simple present. So it will be converted into simple past. And you know the rules. If you remember the rules of tense, then you can easily convert. So the girl said that the flower was pretty. Then present continuous becomes past continuous. The old man said the rain is falling very heavily. The old man said that the rain was falling very heavily. Means present, and again see, present perfect will be converted into past perfect. The principal said all the students have passed. The principal said that all the students had passed. Means according to three examples you understood that if the sentence is of present tense, that will be converted into past tense. Simple present to simple past, present continuous to past continuous, and present perfect to past perfect. Means simply understand that a sentence of present tense will be converted into sentence of past tense within its category. Now simple past changes into past perfect. Like Rohan said Sheetal arrived yesterday. It will become past perfect. Rohan said that Sheetal had arrived the previous day. Now all the present tense will be converted into past tense, and simple past will be converted into past perfect. And modals, so modals change into their past form. If you remember when we were reading modals, then I have given you the table that which modal is past of which modal. So if you remember, according to that, like see, he said she can dance, and past form of can is could. So he said that she could dance. If there will be will in place of can, then in place of could we will write would. If there will be shall, then it will be should. If there will be may, then it will be might. So you understood, students, that whenever we have to convert any sentence of direct speech into indirect speech, then first we have to see the reporting verb. If the reporting verb is in present tense or in future tense, then the reported speech will not change. There will be no change. We will just copy the exact words. But if the reporting verb is in past tense, then we have to follow some rules. And what are the rules? Just remember three rules. In sum up way I am telling you the three rules. The first one is that all the sentences of present tense will be converted into past tense within its category. Second, a sentence of simple past will be converted into past perfect. And third, for modals, modals are converted into their past forms. So that was the rule, tense rules, how changes of tense occur. In the next video, we will discuss about changes of pronoun. That's all for today, students. Thank you.